Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this science question. An electrical circuit is connected as shown in the diagram. So we have a 3 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor, and a 6 ohm resistor. Where in the circuit does the current have the greatest value? So for current, for resistors connected in series, the current throughout the circuit will be the same. Hence, the answer will be D. As opposed to parallel, the current will split depending on the value of the resistors. So if you have a circuit, but the resistors are connected in parallel, 6 ohms. So the greater current will flow through the one with lower resistance. So these two will have a greater current. A and A is a greater current than B. Higher resistance will have a lower current. So in parallel, the current A and B, they will add up. But for current, for resistors in series, it's the same throughout. Hence, the answer is D. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.